am Dr. A. Noble Mary Juliet, Associate Professor in CSE Department. I am very happy to participate in this competition. Today I am going to be explaining basic object-oriented programming concepts. So objective of this video is to introduce basic object-oriented programming techniques. I am going to be cover the concepts of object-oriented programming. My expected outcome is understand the distinct properties and features of object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming, so it is a methodology or paradigm to design a program using classes and objects. The combination of classes and objects, we can able to solve the problems and we can able to create the programs is called object-oriented programming. Nowadays, all the programs is based on the object-oriented concept. Example, C++, Java, Python. So these are the some object-oriented programming languages. Any programming languages which is based on object-oriented concept, that should be cover these important concepts: objects, classes, abstraction, encapsulation, and inheritance, polymorphisms. These are the basic concepts covered by all the object-oriented programming languages. We'll be see one by one. So first one is the object. The object means any real world entity. So anything we can able to describe by the word, that is called objects. For example, pen, chair, table, and it may be a seeable or it cannot be see, or it may be a physical or it may be a logical. Anything we can able to described by the word is called the object. So all the objects are having very two important characteristics. One is the state and the one is the behavior. State means it may be called fields, it may be called variables, and behavior means it may be a methods or it may be a functions. State, in another word, it can say a property. For example, a ball is an object, then it has some own properties. The color of the ball, the shape of the ball, the air capacity of the ball. So this is the state of the ball. Then behavior in the sense how it is react. So what we can able to do with the ball? We can play a ball. So playing is a behavior of ball object. So any object is related to the real world entity. We can able to describe by the word. Then that is the object. For example, a book is an object. So the title, author, publisher, width, height, contents, these are all the state of the book, or it is the property of the book. In programming language word, we say it is the data. And what we can do using book object, we can able to read the contents. So if it is the paper hard copy, then we can read the contents. And if it is the e-book in the sense, we can download the book. So read and download the behavior of the book object. So these are all the states and this is the behavior. Okay, pause this video for a minute and identify object's name, state and behavior of the following pictures. Next one is a class. Class is a collection of objects. For example, if we say ball is an object. Okay. So collection of 10 ball is a ball class. Okay, so see here, this is one object. So collection of the same object is called class. The meaning is same set of data and number can be same for number of object, means that is a class. For example, say fruit. So we can say fruit is a class. Okay, suppose I ask you to describe fruit. So is it possible, right? Can you able to describe what is fruit? So fruit is a class. It is sweetie and it is flashy product by the tree or other plants, and it containing seed or seedless, and it can be eaten as a food. So you can be possible to describe by word. But suppose I am asking you to draw a fruit. Is it possible? You can be able to draw apple. Can you able to draw orange? Can you able to draw watermelon? But is it possible to draw fruit? No, it is impossible because fruit is not an object, fruit is a class. So class is a blueprint of object. So fruit. So all the fruits having name, color, count, seeds. So lot of properties are common to all the fruits. Okay. So fruit is a class and individual fruit is orange, apple, banana, watermelons are the objects of the fruit. Similarly vehicles. So vehicle is a class, can be able to describe the vehicle, but it is impossible to draw a vehicle, but we can be able to draw a car or heavy vehicle, anything. So a class is a self-contained entity. Every classes consist of set of data and set of function which acts upon the data and which are encapsulated with the identifiable name. And even we can say class is a blueprint of the object. Okay, see this example, bicycle. Suppose we develop one blueprint for a bicycle. That blueprint is the same for all other bicycles for the same maker, same model. Okay, so bicycle is a class. Individual bicycles are the object of the class. Okay, pause this video for a minute and group the following activities into some class. Encapsulation. Encapsulation in the sense binding or wrapping the data and method into a single unit is called the encapsulation. For example, student is a class. So some set of properties, name, number, address, these are all the data. Okay, and this data can be accessed by the methods like read the information about the students, write the information about the students, and find the information about the students. These are the methods. So collection of this data and method, put it into by name is called the encapsulation. See here, one capsule is wrapped by a cover. So we don't know what is inside the medicines. There are different medicines, a collection of medicines are there, but we don't know what is inside that. Okay, so it is wrapped by one cover. This is called encapsulation. And encapsulation is also help us to protecting the data from unwanted access. For example, see here, I am here draw a house. Things near to the doorstep, it is accessed by all the persons. For example, a pipe or some other ball is in the street, it can be accessed by all people. The things in the hall and reception is only accessed by the owners of this house. And the things inside the bedroom is accessed by only the persons, those who are owner of this bedroom. So we have three areas. One is the public area, another one is the protected area, another one is the private area. Similarly, all the objects are having the three areas: public, private and protected. So pause this video for a minute and identify the public, private and protected properties of this house. Abstraction. So abstraction means just identifying the necessary features without include all the data or more data into the object. And it is also focus the essential characteristics of object and related to the perspective of the user. For example, when a book data objects of the book, it have collection of data. Student can see only the title, content, and whether the content is covered by the syllabus is covered. So that thing only the student can able to wanted to see. But librarian is not like that. So he check ISBN number, publishers, editions, price, everything he check. So different perspective, different data are wanted. So abstraction is give the data. See here, the grandmother see the cat as a pet, but the doctor see the cat as a skeleton. Similarly, here the boy see the car as a just riding along, right? But this scientist see the car in a different manner. This is called abstraction. Similarly, teaching. the teacher, suppose the book is containing 1000 and 2000 pages, the teacher won't reproduce all the pages. He take only the essential things. So looking the essential and ignoring the others is another definition of the abstraction. So pause this video for 2 minutes, and here I list out the book object and clients and identify what are the data is needed for this clients. Next one is the inheritance. Inheritance means it is help us to reduce the coding. For example, one class is having the data, same data is needed for another classes, then no need to declare or create two different things. We can connect these two things using the concept of inheritance. For example, vehicle is having some data, same data is needed for car, the same data is needed for one particular model or one particular company. So we can divide the entire things into 3 ways. So inheritance is help us to reduce the coding and also help us to simplify our programming method. So when we apply the inheritance, when a two object is having a relationship, then we can apply inheritance. For example, cylinder is a class, circle is a class. There is a relationship between this class, then we can be able to create the inheritance, because cylinder is a type of circle. So we can be able to create the inheritance between these two objects. So what are the objects are available? There is a connection between these two objects using ISIA relationship, then we can be able to create the inheritance. So pause this video for a minute and identify which of the following statements represent inheritance. And this is the answer. So these 3 things are the not inheritance. You cannot create inheritance for these 3 things. Others we can create inheritance. And types of inheritance: when a class is a parent of single class, then it is a single inheritance. And when 2 classes is a parent of single class, then that is the multiple inheritance. When a class is a parent of 3 different or 4 number of classes, then that is called the hierarchical inheritance. When a class is a parent of one class, that class is parent of another class, then that is called multi-level inheritance. Combination of these inheritance and produce the new method, new inheritance, is called the hybrid inheritance. So pause this video for a minute and identify the types of inheritance of each pictures. And the last one is a polymorphism. When one task is performed by different ways, it is known as a polymorphism. So this is a Greek word. So poly means many, morph means forms. So many ways we can do the thing. For example, when suppose I wanted to add 2 numbers for different data types, different integers, 2 integers, 2 floats, 2 characters, then the same name can be used for different process, different type of the additions. And similarly draw. Suppose I have one function is called draw. So it can be able to draw a rectangle, it can be able to draw a circle, means then we have the polymorphism. So for example, assume that we have the food processor in our house. The same food processor we can use for grinding, we can use for mixing, isn't it? So same product, same method can be used for different purpose based on the different objects where what it is called. So that is called the polymorphism. See here, 3 objects, car, Ford and Honda, both are having the method is called move, but the operations of move is different for each cars. This is using normal engine, this is using V engine, this is using IV technology. Okay. See here, person. So a single person can act as a customer in shopping mall, passenger in bus, and student in college, and child in home. So these are all the references I used for this video. Hope you enjoy this video, and thank you for listening.